How to change name on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change name in your Facebook. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Facebook. After you open up your Facebook, make sure that you're logged into your account. And after you're here, head over to the menu that is on the bottom right. Now, head over to the settings on the top. After you're on the settings, you will see your Meta account center. Head over there and there you will see your profile. Head over to your profiles and choose your Facebook profile. Now right there you will see your name. Head over to your name and from here you will be able to change your name. So I'll just add a middle name and then tap on review changes. After you do that, you can just change your name, tap on save changes, and after you do that you will be able to just change your name. Now wait for it to load. It might take some time depending on your internet speed. And there you go, that is how you can change your name on Facebook. And that is all for this video guys. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.